Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm gonna show how to make Greek salad with gyros. It's a pretty simple recipe. It requires no cooking at all except for sauteing some of the gyros. And let's get started. So let's start by slicing the cucumbers. I have an English cucumber. It is seedless. So I'm gonna take off the wrapping paper from here. I'm just gonna use about half of it. I'm gonna slice it in half. So make like bite-sized pieces of this cucumber. We have diced the cucumbers. Let's keep it on the side. Next thing I'm gonna do is chop some parsley. I'm gonna prep the romaine lettuce. So the way to take out romaine lettuce is make sure you take the leaf from the bottom of it and then start tearing the leaves into like bite size, not too small, not too big, just enough to fit your mouth. Take a Romano tomato and dice it up. You want to have similar size as your cucumbers or a little bigger, but not too chunky. So maybe like a little more than quarters. So as you can see, I made like 1/3 of it, and this is the size that I'm looking for. Okay. Take one red onion and remove the tops, then remove the top layer. I like to cut it vertically. If you want, you can cut horizontally as well. Basically like the slices. So if you cut this way, then it's easy to take it in your mouth and eat it, right? So that's good. Now it's time to prepare the gyros. I have taken the pre-cooked gyro slices from Olympias. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on the griddle, on the electric griddle, for maybe a minute or so that they just get cooked. And I'm just gonna flip them over. If you're using the same type of gyros, then make sure you don't let them cook on the griddle for too long, because they will get hard. So these are already pre-cooked. All you have to do is just warm them up, and then as you can see, the color changes to brown and they are ready to take out. So I have taken it out, and my gyros are also ready. So now, okay, I'm gonna cut the gyros into small bite sizes again. Okay, now you can see we have some bite-sized gyros. Let's put the salad together. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is take a bowl and add the lettuce to it. Then let's add some tomatoes that we chopped. Add cucumbers. I'm getting nice colors. Keep tossing them while you're adding stuff. Add some parsley. Next thing you're gonna do is add the red onions. Okay, add some tomatoes. Next thing you're gonna do is take a pinch of oregano, sprinkle over it. Same thing with I'm using kosher salt, a pinch of it, maybe a couple. Now add some black pepper. Toss it up a little bit. Thing we're gonna do is take a lime and squeeze about half of it. Just drizzle with some olive oil. Drizzle some olive oil on it. You can be generous on it. Olive oil is always good for your health. Okay. Wow, the aroma of oregano mixed with black pepper and salt is just taking over this open air environment. Alright, so take a salad bowl, pour in the salad that you just tossed, put it in there. Take some feta cheese, crumble it, put over on top of it. Take a couple of black olives. I'm using the caramel olives, but you can use the regular black olives too. Then the next thing that you want to do is add some more onions on the top, just a couple, not too many, and then put a couple of pepperoni on the side, and finally take the gyro meat and right, and then take the gyro meat and sprinkle on top of it. Put the chunks on top of it, and here we go. Maybe you might want to put a little bit of olive oil again, and you have your Greek salad with gyro meat ready to eat. Oh.